Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be unboxing a brand new scale from Inevifit. I'm Jess, I love all things fitness, healthy lifestyle, and activewear. If you like those things too, definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So today I'm going to be unboxing this brand new scale by the brand Inevifit. And it's really cool because it's supposed to sync up with your phone and give you all sorts of interesting information. So I'm super excited to try it out. So I've got the box right here. We're going to open it up and see what we think. Okay, so here it is. This is the Eros scale. It says, love your body, smart body fat scale. So highly accurate body composition, unlimited users, smart tracking. It's got a 5-year warranty. So basically you get the app that it pairs with, and it's supposed to tell you a ton of different stuff. Oh, it's all on the back here. Body weight, body mass index, body fat, fat-free body weight, subcutaneous fat, visceral fat, body water, skeletal muscle, muscle mass, bone mass, protein, basal metabolism, basal metabolism rate, and metabolic age. So this baby has so many different features. I'm super excited, but also nervous. I never weigh myself. It is 3:30 in the afternoon. I never weigh myself in the afternoon, but we do have to work with this beautiful daylight that we have going on. So I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna do it for you. And because I'm so excited, this just came and I just have to check it out now. So here's the scale. It is so pretty and like futuristic looking. I love the design. And it comes with batteries, which is so awesome because I hate when I order something that requires batteries if they're not included. So props to them for including the batteries. So it says to use this QR code to download the app. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then step on and off to C0 to calibrate. So it seems pretty easy to use, so we'll give it a shot. Okay, here goes nothing. Okay, ooh, okay, so we've got all of our stats now. Okay, so 141.2. Wait, did we lose? Okay. BMI is 23.5. 18.6% body fat. That's it? No. 115. 18.6% body fat is tiny. Does it know I'm a woman? Metabolic age is 38. What? Okay, it knows I'm a woman. BMR 1496. This is so interesting. Okay, I'm wondering, I think I have on athlete mode. Yeah. All right, let's pretend I'm not an athlete. Confirm. Do we have to do it again? I think we have to do it again. Okay, I just took off athlete mode because I think that's like not right. Oh, That's a huge difference in body fat. Now it's 26.3%, and it was 18 before. Interesting. Now my metabolic age went down. So I'm kind of confused by that. I've been using the Inevifit scale now for a few weeks, and it's been really cool to track all the different things. I am definitely interested in tracking my weight, but I think the other things are super important too. I really like seeing the body fat percentage. One thing I noticed was when I put it on the regular mode, I'm 26% about roughly body fat, but then when I'm on athlete mode, I'm around like 18%. And for a woman, that sounds very, very low. Athlete mode, they recommend if you work out 10 hours a week or more, which I do not. I do more like 5 or 6 hours a week because I do like a one workout a day kind of thing. So I feel like I'm somewhere in between there. My old scale says I'm 22% body fat, and I've done an in-body scan very, very recently that said I was 24%. So it's hard to know exactly where I'm at, but even if you don't pay attention to the exact number, you can still kind of see if there's a trend. So I would love to put on more muscle. That's my goal for the next couple of months. So that's what I'll be looking at, is my body fat percentage going down. So I have been really enjoying using the scale. I love that it hooks up to my phone because I would always just like take a picture of my scale and then make an album in my phone and like flip through. So this is super cool because it actually plots on a graph all the different measurements, and I find that really, really helpful. It makes it a lot easier for me to track where I'm at. So I will definitely link the scale down below if it sounds like something you want to try out. I hope this was super interesting and helpful for you. And if you enjoyed, definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.